In this video, we are going to see about a structured query language, SQL. So, structured query language is a standard language, and it is developed and used for assessing, modifying the relational database. So, it's originally developed at the IBM Research Laboratory in Jansus. It's a connection with the project developing a prototype for a relational database management systems called System or in the early 70s. So SQL is to in that database management systems. Some of that database management system are MySql, PostgreSQL, Oracle, SQLite, Microsoft SQL Server. So advantages of SQL are high speed, no coding is needed, well-defined standards, portability, and it's very interactive language. It's a user-friendly language also. So multiple data view. So MySQL is a free and open source database software, and also it's a multi-user, multi-threaded database management systems. It's especially very popular on the web. And it's one of the parts of very popular LAMP platform. LAMP platform means Linux, Apache, L stand for Linux, A for Apaches, and M for MySQL, and P for PHP. And also it's popular in WAMP platform. So W stands for Windows. WAMP platform. Windows is Apaches, and M MySQL, and P PHP. And MySQL AB was founded by Michael Widenius Monty, David Axmark, and Alan Larson in Sweden in the year of 1995. MySQL features are very free of cost, open source softwares. It's very portable one. The size is very small to install and run any type of hardware and any type of OS it support. And its security, its database is very secure, protected with the passwords, and we can connect it other application program interfaces also. We can connect it through some other languages. We can access and use its query language. MySQL supports a structured query language for handling the database. Type of SQL commands are TDL, data definition language. This type of commands are used to create the database and table structures. Example commands are create, alter, drop. And second is data query language. It's used to retrieve the data from database using the select command. Next, data manipulation language. Here are rows related operations we can perform. Example commands are insert, delete, update. DCL, data control language. This is used to manipulate the permissions or access rights to the tables. Example commands are like revoke, revoke, grant, etc. Transactional control language. This is a control over the transactions. Example commands or commit, rollback, save point. SQL operators. So the following operators used comparisons operators or less than, less not equal to, equal, not equal to, or um, not equal to. Another symbol is that less than greater than symbols, and then greater than equal to, greater than this symbol source. Like other programming language, we can use the comparison operator in SQL. And logical operators also, and or not, like other programming language, we can use it. And one more special comparison operator here, null is, we can use is. And MySql support that main three data types: numeric, decimal. We can give that two parameters, that entire number and number of values to display after that point. Is to store the floating point number, and integers is a whole number we can give. Its range is 2147436.82 to 147433647. Range of data we can give. And second, where char. String means a sequence of characters. Character is a fixed length, so range is 0 to 255 characters can store. Varchar is a variable length. This also is to store string. The difference between char and varchar. So char means once a fixed size. It means, for example, name char of 10 we are giving, but sometimes we are giving that below the 10 size name you can give. So the rest of space is wasted in that char type. But in case of varchar, it will be very flexible variable length. According to that, the data, the size, the space will be free. And this also range 0 to 25 stores the amount in files. And last data type is a date. To give that date, to set the date, we can set date data type, and its format is year, month, day. So example 2006 923, and year range we can give 1000 to 9999. Thank you.